what's happening? It's your boy King Victory. We headed over to bike night. Really one of the very few bike nights I'm gonna be able to make it to because I've always had a meeting on the second Tuesday of the month, and now I'm free. Actually, Maggie's this is our first time going, baby. But we're gonna get there. Let's do it. What's up, Big Nation? It's your boy King Victory. Just made it up here. I told you it's bike night. I told you I don't get to too many of these joints. We're gonna see what's going on. There was a ride in, but we ain't close around a little bit, see what's going on. But turn it around, let you see what's happening. I just came up here, me and Maggie came from work. We came straight here. Got us a little parking space, so we're gonna see what's popping. They got a DJ out here. They got food out here. Got a lot of stuff out here, so we want to see you out here. And like I said, got a few bikes out here. They parked a little crazy, but let Maggie take a home spot. About to head to the Stunt Show. On this other side, they're trying to play us out with the music, but we ain't going out like that. So we're gonna creep on around, see what we can get. See what's going on. Let's go on and get this.
You guys know the drill.
Right quick.
I already see some people sitting down. Sit at your own risk. Kids, if you got kids, please make sure you keep an eye on your
Flip
kids.
this thing around.
And if you see some children about to walk into here, we can all be the biggest person. Thank you everybody for coming out tonight. Shout out to
What's going on, man? How you been?
Right. Let's get this party started.
gonna be up here that long. And I always say that, but we about to get up out of here. We had to work today. Just want to see what's going up here. I don't think it's gonna rain for the rest of the day, but we're gonna get to the crib. See if we can put this thing together. They got a lot of stuff going on out here. But it's your boy King Victory. You already remember you ride with your own one. I don't see no Vicks out here, so you already know. Ride one. one, you own one, you own one, you definitely have two of them pieces. Peace, Big Nation. Peace, YouTube. Yeah.